Did you know that 80% of hardwood floors sold today are factory finished? These floors are chosen for their superior durability and ready-to-use convenience, making them a favorite among homeowners. But there's a common misconception. Many homeowners believe that scratch-resistant means scratch-proof. Over time, even the toughest factory finishes can show wear, with scratches and minor imperfections taking away from the beauty of your floors. TrueCare's Screen and Recoat service is designed to restore your floor's original beauty and strength, all without the mess of traditional refinishing. Using our state-of-the-art dustless system, we gently abrade the surface of your floors, minimizing scratches and minor imperfections. Then, we apply not just one, but 2 coats of high-quality urethane. This adds renewed durability and brings back the stunning beauty of your hardwood floors. And the best part? In most cases, we can complete the entire process in just one day, beautifying your floors without the hassle or disruption of a lengthy renovation. At TrueCare, we take pride in preserving the beauty and integrity of your hardwood floors. Trust us with your investment. Contact TrueCare today to learn more about our Screen and Recoat service and schedule your appointment today.